Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our week 3 of our class here. I apologize. This is a little bit late, but maybe it's more timely. I don't know. But for some reason, didn't hit the link button, and so the video didn't link up. So I'm going to do that, and I don't know where it is. It's just me being old. But anyway, we're going to just discuss a little bit about the exercises in week 3, which are the WebAssign exercises, and after I do that, or I think that won't take much time. You all know what those are. That's just the appropriate chapters in the textbook. We're going to do a few problems in WebAssign there. And a couple of people have asked me questions about week 2, and I believe I answered them correctly. So if you need any help with them, with the problems, just contact me. Just either send me a text from WebAssign or text me or email me, and we can work it out. Because those are kind of fun to play with sometimes, but I think they are kind of tricky. You got to be careful. All right. So one of the tasks this week, besides our math homework, is the project one, and it's called Objects in Motion, and it's just more of a case study, or gee whiz, 3 different case studies about placing an object somewhere at some distance, like you would with, well, we're much kinder generation now, so I wouldn't say, like, maybe a projectile, like something throwing something, a catapult, or a package being dropped from an airplane. Those are kind of fun problems because you've got the motion of the airplane, horizontal motion of the airplane, which the package will retain, and you got the free fall gravity. All of these, I believe there are 3 cases you'll look at, are basically free fall problems where you put a projectile out into space, and it just is only acted on by gravity. That's all. So in all cases, you will use uh, the same equations you've been using for solving the kinematics of we call it projectile motion or free fall in general. That's what it is. And then you take into account a little bit of wind. It's not exactly a really good wind model, but it's pretty close. And you'll see how wind can affect the range of projectile goes. And you might have seen that if you go to a baseball game, if you've seen a ball batted into a headwind, and it will go out in a big parabolic arc, and then it'll hit the wind, and we'll just kind of bring it back down. Well, it could be a home run, it could be a base hit. All right. Well, anyway, I think I've told you about this, and this project is pretty important, and it's not there is no experiment here at all. This is just do the calculations based on your understanding of the problem. But you can, at the same time, what you did last week in the lab should be appropriate to back you up for this. But as always, if you have any issues with that, any issues at all, just contact me and I'll try my best to help you. So really, you guys have a good, well, this is really a holiday today. Have a good Martin Luther King Day, and I hope to talk with you or interact with you in some manner later on this week. You all take care.